Hello Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another sword for you I'd like to show you, and it is the sword of Samwise Gamgee. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into this. And I will show you first the art box of Samwise Gamgee here. And this is the front of it. Which is, I think, is a very cool sword. And the back of the art box here. And let's open this up. And here's the COA for Samwise Gamgee sword. Pretty cool. And this is the plaque for it. Just a nice simple plaque for it. So pretty nice. So here's the sword of Samwise Gamgee, and it is really cool. I'll show you some close-ups here. Very cool blade. It is very nice. A bit more detail towards the handle there. Show you the other side. Turn this the other way. As you can see there, license serial number 1405. Pretty fine blade. A very nice blade. Yeah, so that's the sword of Samwise Gamgee. And this is the spot where I'm going to be putting the sword, because as you can see on the right hand side I have Sting, and it is a Frodo's sword, and I thought it would be like a good companion piece to put on the other side of the fireplace there. And yeah, that's where I'm going to be putting it, and then you can see how it will look if you envision that with that to the left of the fireplace there. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Comment down below what you guys thought of this sword, and like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.